Welcome to my demo of my character rig. I made this for character rigging for games. Here we have Autodesk motionbuilder surfer person they use for their animation system. I have used it to create my own custom rig for. I'll start off by explaining what's in the rig as such. The rig itself contains an IK and FK system for the arms, the legs and the feet. It also has a custom spline IK for the spine. It has FK hands and it has FK face controls. You can control all these systems from either the control point on the rig, like these, and you can rotate them and animate them, or we have a custom UI script made in MaxScript, which will allow you to control the different sections. First of all, though, I have hidden all the necessary items and organised them into layers so we can hide the IK and FK systems if we need to. For now, I'm just going to unhide them all, apart from that one, which is the one that we do not need to just help us to control the rig. And we can start then going and animating. So, to control the rig, we have the option of IK or FK with the viewport controls or the UI controls. I will first of all show you the hand. The hand has FK system, as I mentioned before. You can control it by selecting the control points and moving them. And so on. It's a bit time consuming, this may be. So, in the UI script, we have hand controls. In here, we can control most of the hand in quite a lot of detail. First of all, we can make the hand go up and down. We can also make it go side to side and also twist. And because we may want to just get it back to the set position straight away, we got reset position. Resets the wrist right back to its original position. Here we have the finger control, where we can control the fingers one by one. And clench them off if need be. We can also use the individual ones to control the separate joints if you wanted it that much more control. Similarly with the wrist control, we have the reset position and resets it to its standard position. One last feature we have for the hand is a spread, which spreads the entire thing out easily instead of going through all fingers and doing it manually. We also have the same for the left hand, which I'll quickly demonstrate. And just to sort of prove how quickly we can get this into a sort of position, I'll demonstrate it right here. So he's just like more or less got a fist finger thing. Also with all those, we still have the option to select these and manually still control them. And then you can reset it as well. That's it for the hands. Now we'll move on to the arms. As you can see, the arms have an IK system and an FK system. The IK system is controlled on the left hand side of the script, and the FK system is on the right. Here we can control the FK. We put it onto FK first. We can control the FK easily from the controls. And also again, if you wanted to, from the different controls in here, as they update automatically as well in the viewport, well, in the script. Resetting will reset it. We also can do the IK system, which can be controlled in different ways, well, in the different axis, and the other controls through the lookup target. We also have the IK and FK snap. So, say if you wanted the FK system, where the IK system is now, and continue after using the IK system to use the FK, you can click FK snap, and it will snap the FK system to the IK position, moving it back, and now you can continue using the FK system maybe. You similarly can have it blended between the two if you wanted to. And again, we have the IK snap, which snaps the IK to the FK system. And then you can reset the arm. Same with the other side. Bit too far there. And we have FK snap and the IK snap, and resets them both. That's basically it for the hands and arms. Now we'll move on to the feet. The feet uses a triple foot IK rig. Basically, it allows you to do like a standard FK rig, but will also allow you to have two more features: a foot roll and a toe roll, to roll over the toe and to roll over the foot. This can be useful if you wanted to do some more advanced animation. Similarly, if the animator wanted to use FK system, the FK system is also there. If we look into the script for the foot, we can see we have FK tools on the right here, IK tools on the left, and extra IK tools at the bottom for the foot roll and toe roll. This allows you to move the foot again, and so on. We also have toe roll, and we also have foot roll here. The reason it's out of position is because if we go to the leg also has IK-FK. If we put it on the IK system, it bends perfectly to the system, so we can go back to the foot and we can just carry on doing the same features again. And also the reset position. Similarly, we have the IK-FK position. We also have everything working for the left hand side again. Next, I will show you the legs. The legs here are again IK and FK system, blended as they were before, meaning we can control them. That has the wrong locked axis on. I've locked the axis so people don't accidentally break it, if they might do. So we've got full control over it again. We also have this one where we can move the leg around, and it updates automatically in the UI script and the sliders. If we reset, we can look at the leg in action. Again, we have the IK system for the leg and the knee bend. Here we have, again, all the same features working lovely. Right. Next we have the body controls. The body is a bit strange at times. We have the controllers here, so we can either move them around. They are stretchy, so if you really wanted to, you can make your character quite tall. You know, exaggerate the height a bit. We also have rotation if you wanted to on all of them. Though going too far with this, it will break the rig, but it's pretty decent enough so it shouldn't break in most cases. And with the position, it will help you get decent position. We also have reset rig, though it's just gone all messed up because I do believe the position of these hadn't been zeroed out properly. But that's not an issue because we can just quickly move it back and position it about right and freeze transform. That basically just fixed it so it shouldn't work again, shouldn't happen again. If I rerun the script, I will go back to the body and it should be all good. There we go. We also have the reset position, so the entire body can reset. And that is basically it for the body. Not much to say. Finally, we have the head. This is a custom setup. I sort of done it how I thought would be best. So I haven't used any sort of examples here. For this, I have eye setup, so we can control both eyes at once by selecting the outer one, or individually by selecting the inner ones. Make him go crazy. Similarly, we have control of the head and the neck. We can also reset position here. Here we have the controls for the head again, so we can see what animate the head from in here if you wanted to. We also have eyebrow control, which is funky. We can close the eyelids separately. We also have the eye control here, so we can control both singly or both at a time. We also have the resets to reset the position. The nose control, I've got it so you can flare the nose up or in, just a bit more animation. Simple one there. Cheek control, you can suck the cheek in or puff it out. To give some more animation. You also have lip control. We can bring the top lip up and down, bottom lip up and down, the sides outwards and inwards, and the other side, and reset back to normal. And then finally we have chin control. We can move it left and right, maybe a trimming action, and also up and down.